Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine oil and filter on a 2005 Honda Civic DX VP with the 1.7 liter engine. Oil filter here, part number I'm using. And you're also going to need 3.4 quarts of 5W20. And before installing the new filter, make sure to remove the plastic cover here. You need a 17mm socket with a 3/8 ratchet, along with a oil filter wrench tool or a set of channel locks like this so you can adjust and grab the filter to loosen it up. After lifting the vehicle, you'll find the drain plug right here where it says engine oil with an arrow. You're going to crack the bolt loose. Make sure your oil drain is in position. You're going to torque down the drain bolt to 33 foot-pounds. Make sure to replace the drain bolt washer. Reinstall the bolt. Clean off any excess oil. And torque down the bolt to 33 foot-pounds. Right here at the drain bolt, in order to find the oil filter, just look straight above the axle and you'll find it right there. Just turn that counterclockwise and have your oil catch ready to catch the oil that falls down. Before you put the new filter back on, make sure you clean the mating surface with a clean rag all around. Make sure you get all the oil and dirt off. Make sure you put a little bit of oil around the seal of your filter. Otherwise, when you install it, it might bind and create a leak. So just put a little bit of oil around the seal and tighten this down hand tight. About there is good. We're going to be adding 3.5 quarts of 5W20. I have a special funnel adapter kit so we don't have any spills. If you're interested in this adapter kit, I'll have it linked down in the description. This makes filling in oil a lot easier and guarantees no spills. Once you're done filling up the engine with oil, you can go ahead and remove your funnel, reinstall the oil fill cap, do a quick check of the oil. You wipe it clean first, insert the dipstick back in, and check the oil level. So you see the oil level is above the dot right there. The top mark on the right, that's full and that's just above it just a little bit. That's okay because once we start, it's gonna fill up that oil filter and then we'll recheck the oil level and it should be right at the max mark. So once you turn it on and let it run for a second, check the oil level again, clean it off. And you can see right here, the oil level actually dropped below the mark. So we're gonna add in a little bit of oil. So to reset the oil light, you're gonna insert the key into the 0 position. You're going to press and hold the switch here. And then you're going to turn to position 1, switch to position 3. You're going to continue to hold here until the service maintenance light goes out. right there. So now you can turn the key off, turn the car back on just to make sure the light does stay off. As you can see, the maintenance light is no longer on. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked it, if you learned something, or if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. Click right here in the top left corner for more videos on the 2005 Honda Civic with a 1.7 liter engine. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.